一个很大的惊喜想给你。Ladies and gentlemen, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kantahin po natin lahat. Happy birthday to you. 祝你生日快乐，
祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生
Ang kaarawan po ni Linda Walker ay June 13. So talagang celebrate natin po ang birthday niya. And here we have Richard Juan! Former BBB star and Eat Bulaga host and of course content creator and entrepreneur and also a very well-known actor.
祝你生日快乐。
Yan po ang Chinese. 祝你生日快乐. Everybody, can we say that? Aralin natin ang happy birthday sa Mandarin naman. 祝你生日快乐. Let's go! 祝你生日快乐! Jiang Minfei. Oh my gosh, umiiyak na po siya. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much, mga kaibigan, and thank you. Okay. Now, is it okay? 许个愿，许个愿。没关系，现在再许个愿好吗 ？Let's make a wish。我们来许个愿，闭上眼睛许个愿。Alright. Okay. Let's give her a little moment to her wish. Let's invite our Linda Walker of the Philippines, the one and only Fujiko. Lahat po tayo, mag-dance din po tayo. Okay? So, yung mga nakaupo dyan, please stand up at gayahin po natin si Fujiko at ang ating very gorgeous Miss Xiang Yingfei. Okay? It's now time to have a dance off. Okay?
Yes,
So,
sobrang dali lang na to, guys. It's so easy. This is what we call hawak mo ang beat.
就是你拿着歌曲。
Yes. All you need to do is raise your hand
Okay, everybody raise your hand.
and shake your hips.
Shake your hips.
Just 2 times. And then other one. Yeah. And 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you'll point there. And then
Everybody point. Everybody
here.
point.
Yes. And then point there.
Right there.
And then point down. And 4 times. Yeah.
4次，对。Okay.
So it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Point down, point down, point down. Point
Okay,
down.
so, alright, kaya nyo na? Kaya ba? Okay, maybe request Miss Fujiko and then the one to please stay forward.
Okay, mga Chachago, let's go!
Okay, or maybe Miss Fujiko, can you please stay in front? Okay, to guide us. Okay.
Together. Okay.
Okay, everybody, let's dance. Okay, Evan, everybody. Okay. Okay, can you play the... May music po ba tayo dito? Or... Okay, lagyan po ng music in 3, 2, 1. Everybody, we now. Wow, everybody.